Good afternoon all. We are with this Saab 9.3 in Withersham Green, just outside Haywards Heath and Burgess Hill in West Sussex today. Client called us in because they had a rather quick DPF blockage. Our full diagnosis showed up two issues. First of all, the glow plug control relay had failed and will be replaced by the customer on Monday, and a DPF pressure sensor was also reading extremely low compared to real readings. Therefore that's being replaced. We're in the middle of a single stage carbon clean service. This is our budget carbon clean service for cleaning out the engine. It's a hydrogen feed that goes into the engine and breaks down the carbon, and then we will be moving on to our two-stage DPF cleaning service and flushing that out, resetting the computer, fitting the new DPF pressure sensor. So that will be part two of this live announcement. So if you need our services at all, our telephone number is 01293 769495. We're pretty much UK wide these days, and can help you with any engine issues, any engine carbon build-up issues, that is, DPF issues, diagnostics and remapping services. Have a great day. Bye bye. Welcome back to Withersham Green this afternoon on this Saab 9.3. We've as per the last video, completed an engine clean and now working on a DPF clean. This is the second part, the second stage of the DPF clean. We're just flushing it out now. The reason for the problem on this vehicle was a DPF fault. There have been two other mechanics that had come out to this that had just simply tried to clear the error code, but it kept coming back. That's normal. What actually caused this fault after a good 15-20 minute diagnostic was a glow plug module failure, and also the pressure sensor not reading correctly. So we've now replaced the pressure sensor, we've done an engine clean, and we're now, as I say, towards the end of the DPF clean service. So you can see the soot and some of the foam coming out of the exhaust there where it's cleaning it. So this process, all in all, has taken about 2.5 hours, including disappearing off to go and get the sensor. If you need our services, that's for diagnostics, engine carbon cleaning services or DPF cleaning services, or you have any questions at all, please drop us a message or give us a call on 01293 769495. We'll be happy to help you. Have a great day.